So I checked into this new apartment, and the first thing I saw was this leaking toilet. Yeah, let me zoom closely. You see it's overflowing. It's not really bad. The house is good. Yeah, shower is here. Some LED lights, I don't know for what purpose. I guess there's no light inside here, that's why I decided to put those ones there. So I have to see on the way to repair these, as I'll be teaching you people on ways you can do this without calling a plumber. Yeah, this basically simple to do. It's just a small overflow. Yeah. The floor is a bit untidy. Yeah, seems that the last occupant was moving out of rush. She left here dirty a bit. Yeah. I think we'll go straight away to the job. This plumber was really bad. You see, he just left screws. Yes, on top is very dirty. Yeah, backfilling is needed around there at the back. And here there's a small plastic seal. You can see it. Yeah, the place is so terrible. It's so messy. It's all water. Yeah? So I should find a solution for this to save some few dollars. Yeah. Down here, this one, that's the pressure tank, that when you turn the lever, it pressurizes the water so that it can flush your toilet down well. And here is our air tank. It maintains the water level so that it doesn't overflow. And here is the gauge, the screw that generally it's in use to help close this valve gate. You see this one? This is the valve gate. So when it's down, water comes out in that way. When it's up, it closes. But this one is not in the right position for it to prevent the overflow. So what we're gonna do is to ensure that we flush the water first, so that the tank remains empty, so that we know at what level should the water be so that it doesn't overflow. That will be the first step. Okay, let's flush. You see? Yeah. So you see, when the pressure valve goes down, the water comes out. When it comes up, the water shuts. You see? Yes. So let it just fill slowly, so that we can know at what level should the water be. Inside is a bit untidy, it's a bit messy. Yeah, seems like the water running through these pipes is not clean that much. Yeah, it has some dirt deposits around. Okay, it's almost full. So what we will avoid is the water not reaching the level of overflow. This is the overflow valve, so we'll make sure the water doesn't pass it. Yeah, we'll make sure the water doesn't pass on top of it. Yeah, so we will adjust the screw. We will adjust it clockwise. Yes. Clockwise. There's a small bolt there, there's a small nut, so we'll take it clockwise like this. It's already overflowing. Seems I was late a bit. Yeah, like so. Yeah, so I'm expecting it to stop overflowing. Yeah, actually it's ceasing. The level of overflow is going down. So let me try and flash a bit to reduce the water content inside. You see, it's picking up again. The water is flowing in to refill the barrel. So pretty much, let me wait. It gets filled up. I see if it will pass the flow, the outflow, the outlet. If it doesn't pass, then we are sure certain it won't overflow. So instead of calling a plumber to take some few dollars from me, actually I can do it at home. Yeah, it's thrilling, it's good, it's a nice experience. Only that this place was a little bit left messy. This place is messy. The tiling never reached down here. I don't know for what purpose. Yeah. Okay, let it fill up. Yeah, it's filling up. So as you can see, the amount of water trickling down is very minimal, which means it's almost shutting. And if we check, our outflow valve is here, and the water level is so down. So what we'll do is to adjust it. We'll open it a bit anti-clockwise, so that we increase the water flowing. As you can see, the water has increased. I just want to make sure the water level is below the overflow, just slightly below. Okay, so when I push the bowl down, I open the gate valve, the water trickles in. Yeah, so you see, it's slightly below. So I'll just open it again. Just open it again. Yeah, about there. And tighten the small screw to put a lock. Yeah, the small screw will put a lock. Yeah, this job is a little bit messy. Yeah, around there. So around that place, it's a little bit trickling. As you can see, it's trickling, but I'm sure it's soon stopping. And that's the best way you can avoid spending some dollars to call a plumber. Yeah, you see, it's all cool now. There's no overflow. Even if I take the bowl down so that water comes up, it will automatically go back and shut. Yeah, it's all now perfect. Yeah, let's allow more trickling in. We see how if it can overflow. Pretty much I actually guess now it can't overflow, because even if you check down now, there's no more trickling, just droplets, which I know we'll see soon, and we are good. Yeah, we are very, very good. Yeah, no more trickling. You see, the water is dirty. It has left us a very dirty mark here. yeah, which I'll have to deal with in the next video. I show how to clean the room, clean this floor and all that messy stuff. So we'll take the cover back. This is the cover. We'll take it back. Take the cover back. So inside goes in first. Yeah, like that. And there we go. So we'll just take the screws back, for I'll be going to buy new locks to put this thing in place. Seems the other side is not fitting in. I just don't know why, but it should be fitting in. Yeah. So after thorough with it, it's now fully in, yeah.